Right there guys, today I'm going to be trying to install Tiger onto my powermac G4. Got it yesterday. I just wanted to try and install it, but I'm having a couple of issues. I put the disc in a drive, it's a DVD-R. Yeah, it's a cheap DVD-R disc. It worked in my iMac. Here's the iMac, so I'm just watching a video by its main actual colour. You might be able to have that click there. See if it recognises it. I'll come back when it tries to recognise it at least. It is not recognising it. I'm going to try and put it in a DVD drive that I got from my eMac. Let's try that. Okay, it's powered down. Let's open this thing up. Let's also unplug this. Don't know why we have this disc on it. Okay, so here's the DVD drive. I'm going to use a short, not actually really short, just going to pretty much nick the, is that going off? I'm just going to unplug the drives over here and just literally jump the entire thing so I don't have to take the other drive out. So I mean, it's a great drive. Can you guys see this? I don't know if you guys can actually see this or not because it's so dark. It's actually that dark. I just think the camera always thinks it's dark. Let's try and fiddle around with white balance, see if I can get a little bit better. Okay, that should be a bit better. Turn it off with auto. Okay, so we're just going to plug in our lead here. I got another power thing. I'm literally just going to pick up the hard drive because that isn't even put in properly. Oh no, it is put in. Here's the other drive I've got. Let's plug that in. I always seem to have problems trying to plug in cables from the power supply. This should all work hopefully. I'll plug all this stuff in. I'm going to plug the hard drive back in because you know I accidentally knocked that out. Actually, no, I won't be able to use that because I have I really wish I could run two power supplies on this. Let me get past this. Let's see if the drive will open. Okay, so it just bonged. There you go. Let's put in our disc. See, it's a hell of a lot louder. Let's actually stay there. Let's see if we recognise it in OS 10. Okay, just about to load into OS 10. Let's hope that the disc is being recognised. Oh, is that? Oh, don't. Oh wait, oh no. Yep, that's come undone. Hopefully that stays in. Okay, why is it not showing up? Okay, let's try and get into dish utility to see if it comes up there. Utilities and disk utility. Where's disk utility? There. Hope the drive comes up. It's from the hard drive, but not. Well, let's try plugging the other drive back in. Let's try that again. Okay, the drive is plugged back in. I'm going to give this a reboot. Now here's one of the problems I've been having. It will not show an Apple logo on startup. I do not know why. Let's pull the power out. Okay. I do not know why it won't show an Apple logo on startup. I'm hoping it's not a graphics card issue, because it doesn't have a pretty awesome graphics card. Well, awesome enough for me to actually be able to use it. But look, it just powers straight. It turns itself by off. Well, this drive is now plugged in to the port there, the Foxconn port. Worst comes to worst, I will literally just go to like Maplins. If you don't know what Maplins is, it's a UK electronic type store, things with parts. Get a new hard drive and a new disk drive. I'm hoping I don't have to get a new disk drive because they're quite expensive and I need to get an AID one. Most of them are SATA nowadays. I do have a SATA disk drive, it's just that I do not want to have to get a card to use for a SATA. Worst comes to worst, I might have to get a new graphics card for this. Because I mean, it works as soon as I actually get into the OS. I do not want this to go into standby. So wait a second. Because I mean, the VGA port's in correctly. So what I might do, I might try resetting the PRAM for this, because I know it posts. Okay. It's Command Option then PRAM. Option. What? I have RAM in it. Don't say the RAM's failed on me. Sorry, there's a ton of wind outside. Look at that. I'm gonna try unplugging the graphics card again. Give it a clean out. Okay, let's power this thing off. I don't know why it also has a red light. Oh look! Are you kidding? Okay, we're now in Mac OS 10. Because the last time I didn't power on like that. Wait, let's secure the tripod, it's a bit loose. Okay, let me log in. Okay. Hopefully that's in focus, probably not. But I think the graphics card might actually be a PC's one, that's why. Because I don't have any more graphics cards. Because all I have is internal ones from my other PCs that I managed to scrap. But I do not have any external ones. Now the reason that you might be able to see, I took off kind of like the inside of the VGA cable, but then I couldn't actually like take off the plastic from the VGA. So what we're gonna get. Why is it? Okay, well let's unplug the graphics card. Okay, I have 1 minute of footage left, so if it does cut, I'm just gonna have to transfer all the data or something. Let me unplug the PC. Okay, so it's that we need to undo. Now I do have this really nice handy tool here called a screwdriver. I don't know if you guys know that. Okay, let's unplug that. Let's undo it at least, and let's give it a bit of a clean. So it used to give itself an Apple logo. I don't know why it isn't now. Unless it's... That graphics card is a bit new. Oh, I forgot to unplug the VGA from it. Why is it not unplugging? There you go. This is the graphics card I currently have in it. Yeah, I'm going to run out of memory in a second. And it's an okay card. Got it with the PC. But don't know why it's not working properly. Right guys, I'm going to cut for a second and I'm going to put this back in. Come on, let's go. Give us some video, give us some video. Really new graphics card. Fair. So I can't go into any boot menus. Let's try pulling out the hard drive. So let me just power this off. I'm going to try pulling out the hard drive and see if that just trying to boot from the hard drive and it isn't showing an Apple logo for some unknown reason. Actually unplug the power from the hard drive as well, so I'm not completely wasting every resource in the entire world trying to power this. Let's is it trying to... They're going to try and boot from something else in the card then, so I'll just put in the disc and see if it will boot. I've got a really cheap, like, rubbish DVD rewriter in here. It was trying to spin up the disc. That's a good thing. I'm just going to leave it to try and power itself on. I'll come back in a bit. Okay, we're booting into open firmware then. Let's try Mac boot. If this disconnects from its spec, that'd be so annoying. Good. We have video. I don't know why it's not finding the disk drive. That's plugged in. Let's hold C. Don't know what to do. Okay, we're going to boot from the disk using open firmware. So let's try that. We know that open firmware works. What? Here we go. Boot CD. I don't have an old keyboard, I don't know. Which one it is. Is it that? And what? There you go. slash. Boot CD that at and 2 slashes. Why is the slashes not working? Slash. Oh. Why is this not working? Boot CD method load not found. Boot CD load CD. Okay. Boot. No. I don't know what to do. Wait, can I just wait, let me plug. Sorry for the slash. Wait guys, I'm gonna be BRB here. Third time lucky. See, I put the hard drive back in it. Shut down. Oh, Mac. Boot. Let's see if it comes up with an Apple logo. Yes, at least it comes up with an Apple logo. Yes. Now let's see if I can power it on and actually do a command. It will not show. Let's restart this. Now. Try that now. It's gonna make you want to go and open firmware again. Okay, let's try and sort this out. Okay, I'm gonna reset the NVRAM and PRAM. Why is it not doing it? Why a minute? Okay. There you go. PRAM reset. See if it comes up with any video on the screen. Doing boot. Nope. Yes! Yes! Now, hold down Alt. So that was a simple fix. So I'm just using my PC in the background. Yes! So it finds the hard drive. Let me just plug this back in. Is it going to find the disk that has OS 10 on it? Would help if I had it in. Do I have it in there? Yes, I have it in there. Not going up or anything though. That is annoying. Why isn't this? Oh no. Right, so I don't know what's going on, but I'm running out of battery, so I'm going to end this part here. Keep watching for part 2. It should be up on the channel within this week. See you guys. Bye.